So hello everyone, this is day 5 of writing 15 smart contracts in 15 days. Today I will be writing a smart contract just to split the bill into a specific number of wallet addresses. So what will be the approach? The approach is very simple that our smart contract will be holding the total number of total count of Ethereum, and which will be done using this receive function, and this receive function will get triggered as the send transaction function is being called by the owner, right? And yeah, so this holds, let's say, 3 Ethereum, and whenever the whenever the owner calls the split bill function, uh, all the addresses which are into the array will actually get equal number of shares to split, right? So yeah, let's let's write the smart contract. So I have set it up a hardest project over here, right? So now in order to write a smart contract in Solidity, I first have to give the license agreement. So SPDX license identifier, then the version with which I need my Solidity code to compile. Then what I need is to actually initialize the contract, which is split bill. Split bill, sorry, it's like this. Hmm, Contract split bill. Now I actually have to store the wallet address of the owner. So address public owner, right? Then what we need is a constructor to actually store the message.sender as the owner. Constructor message.sender is now the owner. Now what I need is a receive function, which is external payable. So this is called whenever a specific amount of ether is being transacted to this smart contract's address. Right. Now we need a function to actually get the balance. So function get balance, then we'll have a function to split the bill, which takes the address as the parameter, right? And for data recipients, it's a public function and external, right? Yeah, sorry, should go like this. Okay, so now what I need is to actually check that this function is being called by the owner itself. So require message dot sender equals to owner, right? So it was giving me right suggestions, I think. Equals to owner. Yeah. So what is this function doing? So what is this function doing? This function is first checking that the owner of the the owner of the contract is only splitting the bill. Then what it is doing, it is actually checking the total balance, and then it's dividing the total balance to split into the length of the array of the participant, right? And then what it is actually doing, yeah, it's transferring the splitted amount to the wallet addresses. Okay, so let's write a test script for this. So for writing the for writing the except cases, I need chai. So const expect required chai, and to actually interact with ethers, I need ethers library, right? Then describe split bill function. Okay. Now what I need is before each case. So for this, I first have to initialize all the variables. So for this contract, then let owner at address one, address one, then actually I can do it over here also. Add one, add two, add three, right? Now what I need is a before each case, right? Now what is this doing? It is actually providing us some wallet addresses to test corresponding to this variables. For for owner, I will be getting a wallet address, and for this three recipients, I will also be getting a wallet address, right? And then what I am doing is actually the connecting the smart contract to our test script, and we are deploying this, right? Now let's write a test case to check whether it is splitting the bill. It splits the bill. Okay. Yeah. So now what we need, it is a async function. So first we need to await owner dot send transaction, await dot send transaction contract dot target. Yes, it will it will send three ethers to our smart contract, right? So three ethers, right? Now what we need is to check the balance. So const balance equals to ethers dot provider get balance. Okay. Yeah. So let's run this smart contract. First, I have to navigate to the directory, then split bill. Yeah. So it says it's passing. Right now, let's log balance. So yeah, it's giving me the balance also, right? And so now we have balance with us. Now what we need is const initial balance, const initial balance equals to the initial balance will be wait, then it will be returning us a promise, promise dot all, right? And it will get the balance for us, right? So yeah, and then we need a const transaction equals to split bill and await the transaction for us. Then we need a final balance. Okay, right. And now I actually have to deduct the balances also, right? So for yeah, so from here it's deducting the amount of ethers from the wallet address, right? So let's run it. Oh, it says get balance is not a function. It is a function. Ethers dot provider. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so I am encountering an error over here. So for this, first I have to first initialize all the wallet addresses. So for this, I need recipients equals to await. This will go into an array address 1, comma address 2, comma address 3, right? And then what I need is just to map the initial balances. So recipients dot map casing this dot map. How can we get initial balance? I can be able to do that using dot map, and over here I will be giving the address, and then yeah, like this. Okay, and similarly for this also recipients dot map. Okay, now let's run this. Okay. Why is it not running? Oh, wait. Okay. Contract dot get balance. Yeah, so I have fixed the error, and now if we run this, yes, the test case is being passed, and all the ethers is being splitted into equal parts, and it has been allocated to the respective wallet addresses, right? So thank you.